Airis-SH, technology at your fingertips. Meet Airis-SH, the next generation button-free, wire-free air mouse designed with autistic individuals in mind. Built to empower, Airis-SH transforms simple hand movements into smooth, precise computer control. No clicking, no pressure, no complicated setup, just natural motion. Connected through Bluetooth, Airis-SH gives user to freedom to navigate, learn, play and create with comfort and confidence. Its sensory-friendly, gentle design minimizes overload, supports natural repetitive movements and reduces motor strain, making technology easier, calmer and more accessible. With predictable smooth responses and adjustable sensitivity, Airis-SH adapts to each user's comfort level and encourages independent and confident interaction. With Airis-SH, the computer responds to you, light, effortless and beautifully accessible. Airis-SH starts just with 2000 rupees.
Airis-SH Air, Iris and Smart Hover is a full touchless air gesture mouse built to make computer control effortless. There are no physical buttons, no pressure and no strain. Only natural hand movements in air converted into smooth, real-time cursor movements. Before talking about Airis-SH, it is important to understand why this project was created. Worldwide, nearly 1 in 100 children are diagnosed with autism and more than 75 million people live on the autism spectrum. Many of them struggle with motor control, sensory overload, hand coordination and anxiety when using normal computer devices. For something as simple as moving a mouse or clicking a button, they need support from parents, therapists or teachers. And that long-term dependency affects their confidence, creativity and the way they interact with the digital world. Traditional mouse require grip, pressure, force and fast hand movement. But for autism and motor disabled users, these actions are not easy. Their hands may shake, they may have limited motion, or their sensory system may not accept sudden movements or touch. This results in frustration, slow usage, and sometimes complete avoidance of computers. That's why, instead of trying to fix the user, we built a device that adapts to the user. The heart of this project lies with autistic children, therapy care students, and individuals with motor disabilities. For autistic users, Airis-SH introduced a special mode called Comfort Zone Mode, a personalized interaction space where the cursor automatically adapts to the natural movement pattern, sensory comfort, and hand orientation. The device can be owned like a smartwatch, making it easier for users who cannot grip or hold anything in their hands. For motor disabled individuals, Airis-SH removes the need of clicks, force, and coordination. It gives them a freedom to access a computer with small and gentle gestures in the air, restoring their digital independence. The inspiration behind Airis-SH becomes stronger during a field visit to the Spastic Society. There, we witnessed real challenges. Children who wanted to communicate but struggled, parents who felt helpless yet hopeful, and teachers who were trying their best with limited tools. Their emotions, their day-by-day difficulties, and their dream of giving their children a better digital experience. These moments become the driving force behind this project to create something simple, affordable, and effective for every family. Airis-SH is powered by a ESP32S3 mini microcontroller. It uses a high-precision IMU sensor to detect hand tilt and motions. These gestures are converted into cursor movements, clicks, and scrolls, all without physical contact. Before creating the final product, we just built a raw working prototype without the chassis. This stage was all about understanding motion accuracy, how the hand moves, how the cursor responds, and how gestures can be detected without buttons. Even without a body, the prototype was fully functional. Moving the hand moved the cursor. A 2-second hold gave the left click. A gentle twist gives the right click. And what next? This stage helped me to test the core idea before designing the actual device. After this, we just added additional features like navigation and the scroll functions to the mouse. The device connects wirelessly through Bluetooth and works with a custom web app, just like how a smartwatch connects to its companion app. Through this Airis web app, users can calibrate motion, adjust sensitivity, and set custom actions. This makes Airis not just a device but a complete ecosystem. Key features of Airis include smart hover cursor control, gesture-based clicking and scrolling, wearable design option, Bluetooth connectivity, rechargeable battery support, and highly stable motion tracking. There is also a comfort zone mode for autistic users and a wear mode for motor disabled users. The device is lightweight, portable, and designed to be used for long duration without discomfort. Once the gesture system works perfectly, we moved into the MVP stage, creating a 3D printed chassis that can hold electronics safely and comfortably. This chassis was designed to be lightweight, simple, and easy to hold for people with limited hand strength. The overall cost of this MVP, including the chassis, battery, and components, came around 2000 rupees, making it one of the most affordable assistive tech compared to existing products that cost around 15 to 20 Ks. The prototype, which you see in the image, includes the ESP32S3 Mini, an IMU sensor, a battery unit, and a custom built chassis. Multiple rounds of testing were done to make sure the device responds accurately to even the smallest hand movements. Every part of the system, electronics, gestures, firmware, Bluetooth, and interface was crafted to be simple and reliable. One of the strongest goals of Airis is affordability. The normal version costs below 2000 rupees and the advanced version with extra sensors and customization comes slightly above 2000 rupees, making it nearly 10 times cheaper than existing assistive solutions on the market. What makes Airis special is the emotion behind it. This project is not just technology, it is the empathy turned into innovation. It is built for children who want to participate, parents who want to understand, and individuals who wish to be independent. Airis proves that accessibility shouldn't be expensive. Technology becomes powerful only when it becomes inclusive. Apart from accessibility, Airis can also be a fun and a futuristic controller for normal users, especially gamers. Its air gesture control brings a new level of creative interaction. Airis is built not just to move the cursor but to perform all the actions through simple and natural gestures. Let me explain how it works. A gentle stay for 2 seconds triggers the left click, making it easy for users who cannot press the buttons. Soft twist of the wrist becomes a right click, allowing contextual actions without force. Moving the hand up and down smoothly triggers scrolling, replacing the need of scroll wheels. And a firm twist activates navigation commands like back and forward, enabling effortless browsing. Every gesture is designed to be simple, initiative, and accessible, especially for autism individuals and users with limited mobility. Future upgrades of Airis include eye tracking, AI-based gesture learning, mobile control mode, and advanced wearable versions. With mass production, Airis has the potential to reach therapy centers, schools, homes, and accessibility labs across the country. Airis is more than a project, it is a promise. A promise to bring digital freedom, comfort, and confidence to those who need it. At last, I would like to say that innovation is not about creating machines, it's about creating hope.
Airis is more than a device. It is a statement. A statement that technology should include everyone. A statement that comfort matters just as much as capability. And a statement that autistic individuals deserve tools built for their world, not the other way around. By transforming simple, natural movements into effortless control, Airis opens a door to learning without struggle, interacting without stress, and exploring without limits. It brings independence within reach, dignity into everyday moments, and accessibility into the heart of technology. With Airis, we are not just improving interaction, we are reimagining it. Because when technology truly adapts to people, every voice is heard, every ability is valued, and every user gains the freedom they deserve. Airis is freedom at your fingertips.